Some people always arrive before others. Some decisions change everything just because they were made at the right time. And sometimes success has nothing to do with speed, but timing. What if one small habit could quietly change your entire life? Want to know which one it is? Then watch this lesson. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Shaheda Polyglot Year. I'm your teacher, Shaheda Akter Chowdhury. Today is day 5 of our 60-day Mandarin vocabulary confident journey. Here, you don't just memorize words, you feel them, use them, and truly own them. In today's lesson, you will learn one powerful Mandarin word. And at the end of this lesson, you will receive a small reward, real native-style Mandarin sentences showing how this word is used naturally in daily conversations. So stay with me until the end. Today's word is early. In Chinese, we say 早. Repeat after me. 早. Now you say it. Did you try? Very good. 早 doesn't only mean before the clock. You can be waking up early, preparing in advance, showing respect for time. People who act 早 often feel less stressed, more focused, and more confident. Using this word correctly communicates awareness and discipline. This is not just a challenge. At the end of these 60 days, there will be a vocabulary assessment. To pass the assessment, review and practice all previous lessons. Following this method ensures your success. Those who participate will receive a Mandarin Vocabulary Fluency certificate. If you want to join that assessment, put your name on the exam wish list. The link is in the bio, description or comments, depending on the platform you are using. For those who want deeper practice, I have also created a 15-day private Mandarin vocabulary program, short focused sessions designed to build spoken confidence. Visit our website. It's for learners who want structured guidance and faster progress. Looking ahead, we are preparing an advanced Mandarin course to take you further. Here you will learn character radicals, perfect tones, master complex sentence structures, understand sentence meaning, and opinion usage. By following this journey, you will be ready to access this advanced course as soon as it's published. And if you prefer personal guidance, you can book private lessons through my website. Many students have already transformed this way. Now, here is your reward. Let's see how native speakers naturally use 早. I woke up early today. 我今天早起了. She arrives at the office early every morning. 她每天早上早到办公室. Important reminder. While learning Chinese, focus on my pronunciation, not just English transliteration. Chinese is a tone-based language, and mastering tone from the start will help you sound fluent. Transliteration guides you, but following the teacher's pronunciation matters most. Don't worry, I will guide you every step. That's it. One word, but now it's meaningful. Now this is your moment. Pause the video, make one sentence about yourself using 早, then write it in the comments. Say it out loud. Your voice builds your confidence and helps internalize words naturally. No matter your level, your opinion matters. If you could design your dream Mandarin course and next learning challenge, what would you want to learn? Write it in the comments. This was day 5. Tomorrow, day 6, we will explore more daily life vocabulary. Follow the journey, stay consistent with Shaheda Polyglot Year, unlock a world of languages with Spy.